If you can imagine it, you can have it. Valtra Unlimited is that simple. You know that every Valtra can be configured with many options, and Valtra Unlimited takes it to the next level. Our configurator will help you tailor your tractor with ease. Choose any of the option packages or pick individual options from our comprehensive selection. With all the available unlimited features and equipment, you may still want to add your personal touch. Be it your own brand colour, style, or some other final touch. Our sales personnel will be happy to help you with any wish you may have. From configuration to delivery, our experienced team will finalise your tailored unlimited tractor in the Valtra Unlimited studio, where the special installations take place. Exactly according to your specifications. Exactly according to Valtra quality standards. Exactly according to Valtra and implement manufacturer warranty principles. Everything happens as one seamless process. For you, this means a tractor that is the best possible match to your needs. A tractor that is most comfortable, safe and desirable. A tractor that is most reliable, valuable and profitable. Everything integrated, tested and ready to work from day one. Just imagine the unlimited success waiting for you. With Valtra Unlimited, you can have it.